Hey guys, Mr. Maynor here. Just wanted to talk quickly about logging in to your Gizmo labs. It has been quite a while since we've done a Gizmo in class, so I wanted to review quick. As we can see, it is 10:14. It is a beautiful 43 degrees here in Stewartville. Let's get to it. All we need to do is go to a new tab. Okay, in that new tab, you are going to type in Explore Learning .com. Okay, when you do that, you should get to the Gizmo homepage. Okay, from there, we're going to click on Login. And when you go to login, hey, remember your username should be your first name dot last name, and your password should be your password that you use for Schoology. Okay, type it in, hit login. We should be good to go. Click on your class, and throughout distance learning, we'll have a couple of different gizmos that we'll be going through together. All right. Hey, if you like the video, subscribe, smash that like button. We'll talk to you soon, sixth graders.